Hi, I'll be showing you a wireless lavalier microphone that connects to your smartphone and how to set it up. It's so easy. In the box, you're going to find two of these little microphones, and you'll see on the back there's a clip to clip it to your shirt, and then you'll also get one receiver with a Type-C charger that plugs into your phone. You'll get one adapter for an Apple. If you have an Apple device, you'll need to use this adapter. Before you plug this in, you would put this on it for an Apple. And you're going to get a charging cord, and you'll get a user manual. I want to thank JLB brand for sending me this free sample to try out so that I could give you my honest opinion. First, you plug the receiver into your phone, and if you have an Apple device, you can attach this little adapter to the receiver before plugging it in. Next, you will turn on the microphone with the power button, which is on the back down at the bottom. Please press and hold that in. And turn it around to the front. The little green light came on, and that means it's paired with the receiver and it's ready to go. And of course, there's the clip on the back to clip it to your shirt. And you can see I put the other one on my shirt. That's how it would be. You can record outdoors, and these windscreens will cancel out the wind. And you also have automatic noise canceling for crisp, clear sound. When the green light goes out, that means it needs charging again. The charge will last for 4 more hours. That's a good long time. These microphones work on Android or Apple devices. They're so lightweight, you forget you have them on. But having 2 microphones is a great bonus. You can record a conversation with another person. You could do a podcast. I love these for the easy setup and great sound, and I highly recommend them.